Is Blurry Vision Pro ruining the spatial computing experience? Let's fix that. First, if you need vision correction, you'll require Zeiss optical inserts. These are custom-made to your prescription, so you need to order them when you order your Vision Pro or shortly after. Before attaching anything, detach both the light seal and headbands. It just makes life easier. Now, take your Zeiss optical inserts, making sure you have the correct lens for each eye. They're labeled. Gently align the insert over the lens housings inside the Vision Pro. They'll magnetically snap into place. Next, reattach the light seal, lining up the magnets. This is vital for blocking out external light and maximizing visual clarity, especially when wearing the Zeiss optical inserts. Finally, adjust the headbands for a snug but comfortable fit. A secure fit ensures the Vision Pro sits properly, keeping your eyes aligned with the lenses and the display sharp. And voila! With the optical inserts installed and a comfortable fit, your Apple Vision Pro experience should be crystal clear. Now enjoy!